Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. I'm Imani Arce, the creator and owner of the Ultimate Gardening business. So today in this exciting spreading video, I have a new Ultimate Gardening item from my new Ultimate Gardening business. So if you would like to know the new item for my business, please stay tuned with us. So guys, a few days ago on Instagram, I had to sadly announce that I was going to discontinue my both plant lines due to the loss of money shipping them, which was totally sad because I have worked so hard on those collections and now I had to go ahead and discontinue them. But the exciting news is we're starting a new concept for the Ultimate Gardening business. So I created, bam, the Ultimate Gardening Seed Starting Kits or Gardening Kits. I have thought through ideas and all the concepts I could do to, fix around the plant idea and do something new for you guys. So now we have Ultimate Gardening Kits for you guys. There'll be 3 different kits for you guys to check out. We'll go through every single one of them, the retail price, and what you're expected to get or receive if you purchase one of these. So let's go ahead and jump to number 1. So guys, starting off with number 1, we have the Ultimate Gardening Vegetable Production Seed Starting Kit. So I have been thinking through of what to put in all these gardening kits, and I have came through a few great ideas which now are in the gardening kit. So towards the end, I'll tell you how much all of these will be retailed for. So let's go ahead and open up the Ultimate Gardening Vegetable Production Kit. So if you get to figure out that there's a lot of tape securing it, it's because once I had to secure them because these will be mailed like this in an envelope, so that's what it's going to be expected. So now let's go ahead and open it up and I will showcase to you guys everything in these kits. So guys, opening the Ultimate Gardening Vegetable Production Seed Starting Kit, you'll be provided with, so in this kit you'll be provided with an Ultimate Gardening Seed Starting Soil, 2 bags of Ultimate Gardening Vegetable Boost Fertilizer, and 4 tubes of Ultimate Gardening Seeds. So in this Ultimate Gardening Seed Starting Kit, so right here is the bag of soil. So they are taped in, but they will be more packing material. So this is the Ultimate Gardening Seed Starting Soil. You have a bag with you guys. And then the Ultimate Gardening Vegetable Boost Fertilizers in these mini bags, but I'll be sending you 2 in each kit. And then you'll be handed Ultimate Gardening Seed Tubes. So I have a little script here of what we have. So number 1 is the Mammoth Melting Snow Pea. Number 2 is the Black Beauty Eggplant. Of course, there'll be photos showing you guys. Number 3 is the Tokyo Bacana Lettuce. And number 4 is the Cardsmack Chukia Beet. I think that's how you pronounce it. Of course, there'll be photos on the screen for you guys to check out. So that's the Ultimate Gardening Seed Starting Kit for the Vegetable Production Kit. So now that's what you'll be provided with. So the retail price for the Ultimate Gardening Seed Starting Kit is $8.50. So now moving on to the Ultimate Gardening Flower Blooming Seed Starting Kit. So the Vegetable Production Kit with pure vegetables to those who like to grow their own food. And these are the people who like to decorate their own house with their own flowers. So here's the Flower Blooming Seed Starting Kit. So we shall open it up right now. So guys, opening the Ultimate Gardening Flower Blooming Seed Starting Kit, you'll be provided sort of the same thing as the Vegetable Production Seed Starting Kit, but a bit different. So if you receive a box and it has the Christmas logo, it's because these boxes were created during the times of Christmas. So if you purchase one and you receive the Flower Blooming Kit, you'll have the Ultimate Gardening Christmas logo. But if you order one that's the Mix and Match Up Starting Kit or the Vegetable Production Seed Starting Kit, you'll get the regular logo. So yeah. So you'll once more be provided with the Ultimate Gardening Seed Starting Soil, Ultimate Gardening Flower Boost Fertilizer, and 4 tubes of seeds, which in this box you have, for number 1, you have Pacific Beauty Calendula. Number 2, Jew Blend Nasturtiums. Number 3, Thumbelina Mixed Zinnias. And 4, Evening Color Sunflowers. So that's all for the flower blooming kit. Of course, you will all of these boxes are going to be retailed for $8.50 plus shipping, which I have put on eBay that you pay shipping based on where you are. But yeah, that's the Ultimate Gardening Flower Blooming Kit. So now my favorite kit out of all of these is the Ultimate Gardening Mix and Matchup Seed Starting Kit, which this kit has providing flower seeds and vegetable seeds for you if you would like a taste of everything. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box up too. So guys, opening up the Mix and Matchup Seed Starting Kit for my business, you'll be provided with the exact same thing of the other 2 boxes, except you'll be provided with 1 bag of Flower Boost fertilizer and 1 bag of Vegetable Boost fertilizer. And these tubes you'll have for number 1, Mammoth Melting Snow Pea. Number 2, Marigold Polite Mix. Number 3, North of the King of the North Sweet Pepper. And number 4, the Royal Carpet Alyssum. Side note, all of these boxes will not have the same seeds. Of course, they will all be mixed and matched up because it's sort of like a mystery box, and when you open it, you don't know what seeds. But of course, I'll be leaving a note for the seeds and the varieties you have. So that's basically it for every single kit that I have created. I'm really happy. So you might be wondering when these kits will launch. These kits will launch on Thursday, so keep that in mind. I'm really excited, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this concept. I actually already sent one to one of my influencers or friends at the Bluegrass Homestead channel. If you guys could go check them out, their link will be up here for you guys to check out. Go subscribe to them and show them some support. I already sent them a kit, which I think they're going to make a video on it. Who knows, up to them. So I already sent them a kit to try out with Jessica and her kids. So that's basically it for this video, me revealing the Ultimate Gardening Seed Kits, even though the plant concept was, we'll say, better than this, but the outcome was not. So we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. That's it for this exciting sprouting video. Once more, I have worked so hard on this kit, so the kits that will be available for you guys to check out is the Ultimate Gardening Vegetable Production Seed Starting Kit, the Ultimate Gardening Flower Blooming Seed Starting Kit, and finally, the Ultimate Gardening Mix and Matchup Seed Starting Kit. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed these and purchased these. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Leave me any comments down below on what you thought on this video and all the items that will be available for you guys on Thursday. So once more, a huge shout out to Bluegrass Homestead. They have been a great support, and hopefully they received the kit in well conditions. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Grow big, Ultimate Gardener. Bye guys.